So hi and good morning. Today I wake up at 7:30 and read a bit, had coffee, had breakfast, and now I want to practice music and then work out. I'm really still a little bit sleepy because my sleeping routine has gone very bad, and for fixing that I need to wake up early today. So I'm gonna hang out on coffee so that I can get through the day, and we'll see if I can sleep earlier tonight so that we will fix this problem. The second coffee. I need a mug badly. This is really good so I can fit it and it will fall down, but I think I need a cuter mug. Not that I'm offending you or anything. I like you, but I need a sister or brother. Now I'm just sounding crazy. Doing yoga. I'm done with workout and now I'm getting ready to go to the university. Just within my pants. Yeah. And also I don't have anything any classes at the university. I'm just going to have lunch and study at the library. So hi again. I had lunch. Now I'm heading to the library to study for 1 hour and 2 hours, then we'll practice piano. Coming back from the piano. In audio. In audio. It's raining real hard, so I decided to take a walk, take a breath, and take a break in the middle of studying. I don't know if you can hear the rain, but it's there, definitely. This is the library, of course. In audio. So I'm done with studying. I edited a video, a vlog, and now I'm heading back to dorm. I'm gonna have dinner and I'm gonna read a bit and I'm gonna try to talk to my family and then sleep.